And now you've used this gain to take some profits of some degree. You've sold a quarter of your position, is what you told our producers. Is that correct?
Yeah, this morning it gapped higher, and I took the opportunity to just take something off the table because, man, this is one for the ages. And I didn't want to sit here in a reversal and not have done something.
Refresh, our memories, if you could, on how long you've owned this stock. And do you remember when you first bought it and what the first price you paid for it was?
I don't remember the exact price, but it's like I bought it in the summer of 2015, and I remember coming on the show. We were in New Jersey and said something to the effect, Netflix was struggling at that time, and I said maybe we ought to replace the N with Nvidia. And, I've believed in the stock ever since then, and it's thousands of percentage points, obviously. I read this weekend that Nvidia, over the last 10 years, prior to my getting involved, was the #1 performing stock, up 10,000%. So this is like just you could live your whole life and never see a stock do what Nvidia has just done ever again. And we may not. So it's been a historic run. But I want to talk about some of the shorter term dynamics here, because I'm still a believer in Nvidia. I still think they are the best positioned technology company in the world for what's to come. But this stock hit an 86 RSI this morning. It was at 83 on Friday. And I remember, and I think we have this chart, or I'm not sure if we were able to make it, but I just remember saying to myself, when was the last time Nvidia was this overbought? I mean, this is a stock that's rallied before. And it turns out you have to go back to November of 2021, which was the peak of the tech bubble, where it traded at 89 RSI. If you go back to 2011, it hit 91. That was the highest ever. And Nvidia's max RSI during the dot-com bubble a generation ago was 81. So you're talking about just a historic level of being overbought. And if you look at the 3-month, 6-month, and 1-year return after that 2011 peak in relative strength, it was -2%, -40%, and -42%. If you look at the November 2021, when RSI peaked last time, the 3, 6, and 1-year return was +3%, -37%, and -52%. So now basically you have arguably the best stock in the world, but it's 46% above its 50-day moving average. That's the 6th highest reading ever. And you just have to say to yourself, how likely is it for there to be strong gains in the very short term from here? It's not impossible, but the likelihood of a reversal grows. And so I just want to do what I think is prudent, take some risk off the table, obviously taking off my initial investment entirely, and, just be in a situation where if there is that reversal, I'm not as exposed as I was last week.
Got you. What obviously is so interesting about, the current state of the market, the current state of buying into AI-related stocks, and then watching Nvidia, Weiss, which was $300 in the moments before it reported earnings, which, we forget was, what, 10 days ago? Not even, it feels like. Where there's a bit of a seller in Josh in terms of taking some profits. You're a new buyer.
Yep.
On the close last Thursday, is that right?
Yep.
Take us through that thought process, because that is as intriguing to me as Josh's taking some profits is.
Well, clearly, I don't think there's ever been a more momentum-driven market than what we're in right now. And that momentum is confined, by and large, to 7 companies, of which Nvidia, as Josh points out, is the #1 in all of that. So I thought that, look, I was hoping stock would miss and collapse, and then I'd take a fresh look at it for a full position rather than a trading position, which is what I put on. So, Scott, I'd like to tell you I was waiting for it to hit a valuation of 200 times earnings, but that's not it. It was purely playing momentum. I added to it Friday morning before the market opened, and I'm not going to be here for a long time.